I'm Nidhi. I'm currently working as a developer in one of the FAANG companies. Do you also want to start your coding career? But these current situations of recession and a lot of competition just make you confused, right? So let me tell you a story. I remember I talked to Reddy Sir about 4 to 5 years ago when I was about to start my career, right? In the coding, right? So I was like, sir, what if I will lose my job? What will happen? At that time also recession was there. So Reddy Sir told me one thing. When he was at college, no company listed, right? That was recession, like pure recession. Even in IITs, very less companies listed. So he told me one thing. What he did at that time, he just focused on making his skills best, right? And after like 4 to 5 years, there was a boom of jobs. So what he told me, just focus on skills, nothing else, right? And and EPT always stands with students. This time also, EPT has designed a lot of courses, right? So you can, if you want to, if you want to learn C, C++, Java, right, Python, all the package, right, of all the four languages, an affordable language in an affordable price available, right? All the four languages combinations. You can opt for some other like two combinations also, whatever you want. And right, so start your coding career with the exam prep tool and get your job, get whatever you want and make your skills just up to the mark, right? So check out the course in the description below and start your coding career today only, right? Don't have any fear, just make your skills the best.